Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. We are happy you are here today.
Today's topic is very fun and very useful.
Yes, we will talk about what you like to do.
This is great for daily conversation.
You can use it with friends, family, or new people.
If you want to speak English with confidence, stay with us.
And please like this video.
And subscribe to our channel for more easy English.
Okay, let's begin.
Paul, let me ask you something.
Sure, Emily, what is it?
What do you like to do in your free time?
That's a good question. I like to read books.
Nice. What kind of books do you like?
I like history books.
Oh, that sounds interesting.
Yes, they help me learn about the world.
Great answer. Very clear and simple.
Thank you.
Let's look at the sentence. I like to read books.
This is very common English.
You can say, I like to plus a verb.
For example, I like to cook.
Or, I like to watch TV.
Exactly. Very easy.
Now I will answer too.
Emily, what do you like to do?
I like to listen to music.
Nice. What music do you like?
I like pop music.
Great. I like pop music too.
Really? That's cool.
Yes, I like to sing at home.
Are you a good singer?
Maybe in the shower.
That's funny.
Okay, everyone, listen carefully. I like to sing.
Repeat after me.
You can pause the video to repeat.
I like to sing.
Good job.
Now, let's learn another way to talk about likes.
You can also say I like plus a noun.
For example, I like coffee.
Or I like movies.
Paul, do you like coffee?
Yes, I do. I like coffee.
Do you like tea?
No, I don't.
Oh, that's okay.
Yes, I like coffee more.
Great. You can say, I like or I don't like.
Very useful in daily life.
Let's try food. Paul, what food do you like?
I like pizza.
Me too. I love pizza.
Ah, you said love.
Yes, love is stronger than like.
Good point.
You can say, I love pizza.
Or I really like pizza.
But for beginners, I like is perfect.
Exactly. Simple is best.
Now let's talk about hobbies.
A hobby is something you do for fun.
For example, reading, cooking, or sports.
Emily, do you have a hobby?
Yes, I do. I like to go for walks.
Nice. Where do you walk?
I walk in the park.
That sounds relaxing.
It is. I like fresh air.
Great sentence.
Thank you. Everyone, listen to this sentence. I like to go for walks.
Repeat after Emily.
I like to go for walks.
Well done.
Now let's learn how to ask questions.
This is very important for conversation.
You can ask, what do you like to do?
Or what do you like?
Paul, ask me a question.
Okay. Emily, what do you like to do on weekends?
Good question. I like to watch movies.
Nice. What kind of movies?
I like comedy movies.
Haha, me too. I like to laugh.
Laughing is good for you.
Yes, it is.
Everyone, let's practice together.
We will ask questions. Please answer out loud, learners.
You can pause the video to give answers.
Question 1. What do you like to do?
Pause here. Answer now.
Question 2. What food do you like?
Question 3. What music do you like?
Well done. Keep practicing.
Yes, you are doing great.
Let's look at a small tip.
Some learners say, I like do. That is not correct.
Say, I like to do.
For example, I like to dance, not I like dance.
Good tip. Another tip, speak slowly.
And smile when you speak.
It helps you feel confident.
Exactly. Paul, do you like sports?
Yes, I do.
What sport do you like?
I like football.
Do you play football?
Yes, I play on weekends.
That's great.
Do you like sports, Emily?
Hmm, not really.
That's okay.
I like watching sports.
Haha, that counts.
Okay, everyone, let's review. Today, you learned how to talk about what you like.
You learn to say, I like to.
And I like plus a thing.
You also learned how to ask questions.
Like, what do you like to do?
Great job today.
Yes, we are very proud of you.
Now, practice in the comments. Write one thing you like to do.
And read other comments too.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
See you next time.
Bye-bye, learners. Keep practicing English.